Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's review a facial kit which claims to be a glowing facial kit, and you can do this facial at home in just 45 minutes. Now before I start my review, let me tell you about the brand. Now, Nature's Essence has built a reputation for transformative and trustworthy skincare products. Each product is made with the most potent natural ingredients, precisely extracted and blended by science. So, the kit I'm going to use today is the Glowing Gold Facial Kit. It will give your skin a golden glow. So if you don't believe, make sure to watch this video till the end. The best thing about this facial kit is that it will cost you just rupees 260 and just 45 minutes and you're done. So hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with the review. Whenever you feel your skin is looking dull and lifeless, go get your facial done at home with Nature's Essence. Today's kit is the Golden Glow Kit, and we start with a detan mask, scrub, cream, gel and a face pack. So let's start. We first detan our face with this detan mask, and what's special about this mask is that it is a wipe off mask. You just have to let it sit on your face for 15 minutes. Now this wipe off mask removes all types of tan and it will bring back your natural fairness and glow. Now next we will scrub our face. Now this gentle cleansing scrub will give your skin a fresh sparkle. You just have to scrub your face for 3 minutes, not more. Now the next step is the massage cream. It is called the Glowing Gold Massage Cream. This rich massage cream gives your skin a golden radiance. You have to massage your skin for a good 15 minutes for best results. The third step is the Glowing Gold Gel. You have to apply this glowing gold gel after your cream massage. This glowing gel will give your skin a dewy, fresh look. It will give a soft shine of gold. Massage this gel into your skin for just 2 minutes, not more. Now this is the fourth and the last step, the Glowing Gold Pack. This is a firming face pack, and this is what will give your face a salon perfect skin with a golden glow. Leave this pack on your face for 10 minutes and wash it off. So this is a wonderful product which will bring out the lost glow from your skin. If you wish to purchase it, the purchase link is in the description box, so make sure you see below. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more.